السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. مرحبا بكم أيها المشاهدون الكرام إلى قناة أبي حفص. You are highly welcome my honorable viewers to Abu Hafs channel. So today inshallah we're going to talk about الفعل التام والفعل الناقص. So الفعل التام means the complete verb. Why الفعل الناقص incomplete verb. نعم. وما معنى الفعل التام؟ والفعل الذي يدل على الحدث والزمن في الوقت نفسه. It is the verb that's indicating that something happened, like it's telling us that something happened, and again it's telling us the time, the particular time that the thing took place. So that is al-fi'lu at-tam. So that means it is the verb which is linked to its subject in a manner that the intended meaning, the meaning we want to achieve in that particular sentence, so is complete after linking the verb to its subject. Now, example of that is Nasara Hamidun. Hamid ate. So automatically this particular verb is complete. This particular sentence so is complete and is meaningful. This particular sentence is meaningful. Now, why al-fi'lu naqis, the incomplete verb? هو الفعل الذي يدل على الزمن فقط. So this particular verb, it is just indicating, just telling us about a particular time that an action took place. So it is not telling us about the action itself. Rather, it's telling us about the particular time when the action, a particular action took place. So automatically this particular verb is not complete. Now, so it is the verb that after being linked to its subject, the intended meaning, the meaning we want to achieve from this verb is not complete. The meaning we want to achieve from this verb, it is not complete and requires another predicate. So to make the meaning, to make the verb a complete verb. Now, example of that is kana hamidun. Kana hamidun. Hamid was. So what's the meaning of that? Kana there, it is that thing that is not complete, the incomplete verb. It is kana. So kana hamidun. Hamid was. So Hamid was what? So this particular verb is not complete. This particular sentence is not complete. So except we add another predicate, so to that verb. So then we now make it complete. Okay, let's look into it. Kana Hamidun Taliban. Kana Hamidun Taliban. Hamid was a student. Here you see, the Taliban now made the sentence complete, made the verb complete from incomplete to complete verb. Okay, Kana Hamidun Taliban. Hamid was a student. Hamid was a student. So that is التام والناقص. نعم. And again, قد يكون الفعل التام لازما وقد يكون متعديا. So the complete verb can be lazim, and again the complete verb can be also muta'addiyan. So lazim means intransitive verb, while muta'addi mean transitive verb. Now, and al-lazim, it is that verb that does not require object. So this particular verb does not require a direct verbal object. Example of that is kharaja hamidun. Kharaja hamidun. Hamid went out. Hamid went out. So automatically this particular sentence does not require any verbal object. So if you want to create object for it, so we're gonna do that by adding helpful jarri. By adding helpful jarri. Okay. Kharaja hamidun ila suq. Hamid went to market. Hamid went to market. So this particular verb, which is lazim, so was transited by illa. This particular lazim was transited by illa. So ila suq. Naam. That is al-fi'lu al-lazim. Naam. Wal-fi'lu al-muta'addi. That is a transitive verb. It is that verb that requires a direct verbal object. So that is al-fi'lu al-muta'addi. Naam. Example of that is Nasara Hamidun Mahmudan. Nasara Hamidun Mahmudan. Hamid helped Mahmud. Hamid helped Mahmud. So this Mahmud there, it is the object. That is al-maf'ulu bihi. Naam. And also transitive verb al-fi'l al-muta'addi قد يكون معروفا وقد يكون مجهولا. الفعل المعروف, this one is active voice, and this one means when the subject of the verb is mentioned, like is stated, is indicated as an active performing of the action. So this one is al-fi'lu al-ma'ruf. An example of that is Nasara Mahmudun Khalidan. So Mahmud helped Khalid. So the Mahmud here, it is a subject. The Mahmud in this sentence, it is the subject, and we mentioned it as the person performing the particular action, the helping action. So we mention it now. So that is al-fi'lu al-ma'ruf. And again we have al-fi'lu al-majhul. Al-fi'l al-mabniyu lil-majhul. This one is passive voice. It is the verb that the subject of the verb was not mentioned, was not stated, was not indicated as the person performing the particular action. So instead of mentioning the subject, rather we are going to use object. So object is going to stand in the place of subject. So that is what we call al-fi'lu al-majhul. And we will say the object in this particular sentence. So we are not going to call it subject. The object in this particular sentence, we are not going to call it subject. Rather we call it naib al-fa'il. Naib al-fa'il. So because it was just standing on behalf of the subject. So initially it was not the original subject. Now, an example of that is Nusra Khalidun. Nusra Khalidun. Khalid was helped. Khalid was helped. So here now we didn't mention the person that helped Khalid. Rather we said Khalid was helped by someone. So Khalid was helped. So that is al-fi'lu al-mabniyu lil-majhul. هذا والله تعالى أعلم. So I hope everyone understand what we just taught now. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it understandable and easy for every one of us. Kindly love, share, like and comment, so to reach other people. هذا والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.